Experience an enchanting evening on the River Nile, the longest river in the world, with our luxurious dinner cruise. Delight in a blend of local and international flavors, vibrant entertainment, and breathtaking views. Indulge in an open buffet featuring a diverse selection of local and international dishes, with vegetarian options available. Enjoy your evening with various entertainment performances. Witness a graceful belly dancing performance, a mesmerizing Sophie dance, and groove to a mix of popular and traditional tunes with our DJ. Don't miss the lively folkloric dance, showcasing Egypt's rich cultural heritage. Relax and take in the stunning vistas of the Nile as you dine. Savor a delectable buffet dinner, immerse yourself in authentic Egyptian culture, and unwind with great music and spectacular river views. Be sure to include this memorable Nile dinner cruise in your itinerary today.